Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how to make a headlight for cycles. First of all, we need is LEDs, battery snapper and a press switch. Now let's take this LEDs positive wire and connect it to the switch, and battery snappers positive wire and connect it to the switch. Now we have connected the positive ends to the switch. Now we have to connect the negative end of the battery snapper with the LED negative end. We have connected the negative ends. Now we have to connect the battery snapper and the battery for testing it. Let's see it works or not. It works. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.